So, CRF 300 Rally. This is one of the bumpiest sections on the test route, so we can see what it'll do. Yeah, I'm liking it, everyone. First ride out. Drop it down again, cyclist. Nothing coming. Rolls on nice. I'm starting to ride it like he used to ride an LC now, which is good. Oh, I'm liking this. Boom. Just that suspension. Yeah, it's nice when you give her a bit of revs. I was being a bit too gentle with it. That's what I'd say. Oh, have a break here while we wait for Dad. I completely dropped him off. Wow. Yeah, I'm guessing I'm gelling with the CRF 300, everyone. So thoughts initially, the suspension, yeah, as everyone says, it needs dealing with. That's something I need to do. Handling's nice, the weight is absolutely tremendous on it. I love how lightweight it is. Yeah, woodpecker there. How he's got stuck behind that push bike. Yeah, but up to now, it's good. First impressions are good. As I say, it's just a different riding style to what the Himalayan's like. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Okay, everyone, it's been pulled up for a minute. Just, yeah, snapped a few pickies. All the push bikers are out today, so watch that. It's quite a busy little push bike route, this. Can't go through it, but getting a bit better with the bike now. So yeah, I'm really liking it. It's got a lot more eagerness than the Himalayan. And what I was doing before, when I first got on it, I was just not revving it enough. I was riding it like you would a loppy, long stroke, and so the bike wasn't responding very well to it. Just getting back into riding like you would on an LC. Ooh. As I say, still getting used to it. We know the suspension is not the greatest, but this is bike number 30 now. Okay, it's 30 or 31. I'll have to double check, I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll throw the list in now. So yeah, as you can see, I've rode quite a few bikes. Much quicker road this. Bumpier as well. I always like this corner. You got to watch it for flooding, but it's a good test of this. Bumpy on the entry, bumpy part way through. There, bang. Yeah, it's good. It's alright enough for me. I mean, to get it better, definitely rear shock. I don't know about the seat, it's quite hard actually, probably the seat as well. Seat and rear shock, and then After that, look at the front forks. Obviously I'm just going to use the Rally Raid level 1 stuff because it means Dad can get on the bike as well, because we did sit on a 250 in the week, and that was quite tall with a YSS shock on. But yeah, I can feel a Scotland trip coming on extremely shortly on this. It'll be nice. As I say, I'll get it running this week, and then we can assess it. Get a proper trip done. Engine feels nice. I'm surprised at how smooth it is. Nice cruising revs that. Nice and smooth. Gearbox is like silk. Very much more of a modern bike compared to the Himalayan. Oh, the brakes are getting a bit better now, which is good. Yoink. I was watching Adventure Dirt Bike TV with Dad, and they said the Boinga test, and I think that's a good way of describing it. I nearly sent myself through the roof last night, and don't need any fancy rocket systems. I'll just buy a few of these, bounce on them, and it'll send you into space. Not bad though. I mean, I'll lop it through there as fast as I would on the Himalayan. So from that perspective, it's alright. Yeah, I think the biggest difference is it's actually wanting to go. That's what you're noticing the most. I could definitely ride this as aggressive as I would on an LC once the engine is running. Yeah, I'm liking it. Job is good, and as you said, really starting to gel with it now. But yeah, I mean, these corners they're quite tricky. They're a good test of a bike from a road riding point of view. And yeah, Scotland just how it is at the moment, to be honest. You just got to bear in mind the suspension isn't the greatest, and you just got to ride around it like you would on a vintage bike to an extent. That's my take, but I am definitely going to be sorting it. But yeah, I just can't get over how smooth it is. I mean, the Himalayan was a smooth operator as well for what it was, but this is like another level of smooth if you keep it just under 5,000, and then like an LC, you know, you start getting up there and it wants to go. And I'm really looking forward to being able to use the upper echelons of the rev range. I mean, it says you just not got to go full throttle, but I don't really want to go thrashing the backside off it while I'm running there. Obviously I'm in fifth and stuff, trying to run it through the gears as much as possible. If you want to know what happened with the Himalayan, that's covered in the previous video. But yeah, we're up to now. I'm very, very happy with the little Rella. I think it's going to be a really nice partner. I mean, you really notice it pushing it about, just how light it is. It's unbelievable, you know, especially for me. I've had quite a bad shoulder injury. Having a bike so light, and it is more noticeable than the Himalayan. Anyone that's had I know I keep mentioning LCs, but anyone that's had an LC, you'll know what I'm going on about, that lightness you get. Well, it's just good. Can always try a bit on this bypass while I'm up this neck of the woods as well. It's getting used to how light the steering feels, just with the suspension the way it is. That's the main thing. Himalayan, very, very heavy steering. This is fork controlled. today. I just wanted to do that quite gradually, not just whack it straight up to 70. But yeah, it felt alright when it was there.